Hello everyone, welcome to CMI's Digital Classroom. Till now, we are learning the part of a whole, fractional number. We have learned about what the fractional number is, the numerator and denominator of a fractional number, different types of fractional number, started with the like, whose all the denominator are same, unlike denominator are different, unit, numerator is 1, and proper and improper fractions. Proper denominator is greater than the numerator, improper denominator is less than the numerator. After then, we have also learned how to convert the improper fractions into mixed fractions or mixed fractions into improper fractions. So now it's time to compare two fractional number. Suppose it is given two fractional number, one is 3 by 7, another is 5 by 7. So which one is greater, which one is less, or if some of the fractional number are given, how can we compare, how can we arrange those all fractional number in ascending or descending order, we will see in today's class. Okay, so the topic is comparison of fractional number. So the topic is comparison of fractional numbers. So suppose two fractional number is given, one is 3 by 5, another is 1 by 5. So which one is greater, how you will know. So this is the one type of fractional number which is called the both the fractional number the denominator is same, so that means both the fractions are in like fractions, right? So in this case what we can do is, first let us understand this with the help of one picture. So suppose two picture is there. One is this one, another is this one. So in these two picture, first thing we will divide both the picture into 5 part, because in the denominator we have 5. Okay, so suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So both the figure I have divided into 2 parts. Now it is saying first one is the 3 out of 5. So first we have to color 3 parts of total. So we will suppose we are coloring this 3 part. 1, 2, 3. After then in this it is asking 1 out of 5, and in this we are coloring only 1 part. So what you observed here is, you can see in this we have colored 3 part, in this we have colored only 1 part. So in which one the more part is colored and in which one the less part is colored. So definitely in the first figure which we have is 3 by 5 is greater than 1 by 5. So here we can use the symbol, this one. So 3 by 5 is greater than 1 by 5. In the same way, you can take few more examples and you can conclude this. If both the given number are like fractional number, for example 6/7 and 3/7. So these two numbers are also like fractions because the denominator are the same. So in that case we will check the numerator only. So whoever the numerator is greater, that number will be the greater one. So here the 6/7 will only be greater. So in this way, in case of like fractions, it is very easy to understand which number is greater just only by checking the numerator of the number. Okay? So very simply, the first case we will check if both the fractional number is in like, we will check the numerator of both the number. Whatever the number numerator is greater, that will be the greater one. Okay, first most important thing. Second case is that कि it may be both the numerator are same. ये हो सकता है कि दोनों numerator जो है वो same है. So at that case what we will do is, so for example here one fractional number which we have is 5 divided by 6 and another we have is 5 divided by 4. Sorry, 4 out of 4, 5 we cannot set. This is in improper fraction. So 5 divided by suppose 7. Okay. So here that means, what does this means? 5 part out of 7 and 5 part out of 6 and 5 part out of 7. Okay. Or this is very small difference. So you can take this as 10 also. Suppose I am taking 10. Okay. Or 9 I am taking. That will be better. So 5 divided by 6 and 5 divided by 9. That means first again let us draw two pictures. One is this. Another is this. So now first I will divide the first picture into 6 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this I have divided into 6 parts. Now I will color the 5 part. So it will be like this. Out of 6, 5 part I have colored, right? Now this I will divide into 9 part. So suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So this should be equal है ना. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा हाँ. So 5 part we have to now set out of 9 equal distribution. So 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to here. 2, 2, 4 and 1, 5. So can you see in this case this is greater portions we set it and this is smaller portions set it, right? So whenever the numerator are same, whenever the numerator are same and denominator are different, we'll check the denominator with the less value. जिस denominator का कम value रहेगा वो बड़ा हो जाएगा. Just opposite of that. तो यहाँ पे बच्चे ज़्यादा कंफ्यूज होते हैं. यहाँ पे समझने का बात ये है, आपको अगर नहीं समझ आता है तो पिक्चर का कंसेप्ट पे समझा करिए. सबसे पहले जो भी पिक्चर्स है उसको हमने 6 पार्ट में बांटा और उसका जो 5 पार्ट हमने सेट किया, और उसके बाद सेम पिक्चर्स को मैंने 9 पार्ट में बांटा और 9 का 5 पार्ट मैंने सेट किया. तो डेफिनेटली ये जो है दिस इज द ग्रेटर वन. तो इसी तरह से 5/6 विल बी ग्रेटर देन 5/9. तो यहाँ पे 5/6 विल बी ग्रेटर देन 5/9. क्या आप इसी तरह से बता सकते हो? अगर हम एक नंबर देते हैं 7/11 एंड 7/15, so among these two number which one will be greater? Yes, definitely the number with the less denominator value, जिस नंबर का डिनोमिनेटर का वैल्यू लेस होगा that number will be greater. So यहाँ पे 7/11 जो है ये 11 लेस है तो ये हमारा ग्रेटर नंबर हो जाएगा। तो बहुत ही इजीली ये दो केसेस हम लोग जो है समझ सकते हैं और इस दो केसेस में हम लोग कंपेयर कर सकते हैं जो भी फ्रैक्शनल नंबर दिया हुआ होगा। ठीक है, now we will see how we can compare two unlike fractions. So till now we have seen how can we compare two like fractions, okay, and we have also discussed how can we compare the fractional number with the same numerator. So these two things we have discussed. Now we will move to the comparison of two like fractions. So, unlike fractions. So in case of unlike fractions, the first most important thing is to make that particular fractions into the like fractions. So how we can do? Let's see. So here we are taking two unlike fractions as like 2/3 and next we are taking is 3/4. So these are the two unlike fractions which we have taken, and now we want to compare that which is greater, this one is greater or this one is greater. Okay, so first most important thing is to take the LCM of these two number. So the LCM of these two number 3 and 4 will be 12 only, 3 multiply 4. This is why we have learned the LCM and HCF chapter so much properly, so that it will help you in further your this type of questions, to solve this type of questions. So here 3 and 4, okay, so 3 multiply 4 will be 12. So 12 will be the HCF here, क्योंकि 3 और 4 का तो कोई और दूसरा है नहीं, राइट। 3 और 4 को लोगे तो इसका कुछ और है नहीं, 1 से ही जाता है। सो 3 multiply 4 is equal to 12 only. So 12 is the HCF, sorry LCM. Then you have to multiply this number and this number also, and you have to multiply and you have to make 12. ये नंबर को भी, डिनोमिनेटर को भी 12 बनाना है, इसको भी 12 बनाना है। तो इसको 12 बनाने के लिए हम लोग कितना से मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं? 3 4 और 12, तो 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। और इसको भी 12 करने के लिए हम लोग कितना से मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं? 4 3 और 12, 4 3 और 12, राइट। तो अब हमारा जो ये नंबर हो गया, ये हो गया। अब अगर हम लोग इसको डिनोमिनेटर को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, सो यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई द न्यूमरेटर ऑल्सो विद द सेम वैल्यू, एंड यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई हियर ऑल्सो न्यूमरेटर ऑल्सो विद द सेम वैल्यू। सो यहां पे हमारा जो नंबर बनेगा 4 2 आर 8 डिवाइडेड बाय 4 3 आर 12 एंड 3 3 आर 9 divided by 4 3 are 12. Now you got both the number in like fractions. So now we already know how to compare the like fractions. So like fractions compare करना बहुत ही easy है। हम लोग देखेंगे न्यूमरेटर में जिसका बड़ा है that will be the greater. So यहाँ पे 9/12 जो है greater है, तो इसका मतलब 2/3 से ज़्यादा बड़ा है 3/4. तो दिस इज हाउ वेरी इजीली आफ्टर चेकिंग दिस यू कैन फाइंड आउट, ओके। आफ्टर देन लेट अस टेक वन मोर मेथड हाउ वी कैन फाइंड आउट इज, that is all about the cross multiplications method which we have. Suppose 5/8 and 7/10. 5/8 and 7/10. These are the two numbers which we have, and now you want to compare this, that which one is greater, okay. So what we will do is, first we will do the cross multiplication. So what cross multiplication we will do is, we will multiply this and this, and we will multiply this and this, and we'll check which one is greater. So 5 10 are 50 and 8 7 are 56, right? 56. So which one is greater? Definitely 56 is greater. Therefore 5 by 8 will be less than 7 by 10. उसी तरह से इसका भी आप चेक कर सकते हो. जैसे जो नंबर था वो था हमारा 2 by 3 और एक था 3 by 4. तो इसको अगर आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, 4 2 are 8 and 3 3 are 9. So 9 is greater than 8, therefore 2 by 3 is definitely less than 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 will be greater than that. तो बहुत ही इजीली आप आइदर एलसीएम लेके इस तरह से कर सकते हो, या तो इस तरह से क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करके भी हम लोग जो है चेक कर सकते हैं कि which one is greater, and we can compare also if 2 and more than fractional number is given, right? Now we will see how can we compare if the number is given in mixed fractions and improper fractions. So we are aware about the mixed fractions and improper fractions. Okay, so if the numbers, fractional numbers is in that particular case, how can we compare that? We will see here. So suppose now the mixed fractions which we have is, one I am taking 4 whole 1 by 2, and another unlike fractions I am taking is, or improper fractions I am taking is 11 by 7. So these are the two numbers which I have taken. Now we will compare which one is greater and which one is less. So first most important thing is to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 4 2 are 8, हम लोग ने पढ़ा है कैसे कन्वर्ट करते हैं. 4 2 are 8 plus 1 is 9. So 9 divided by 2, and here we have 11 divided by 7. Now we can use either any one of the method, or either you can take the LCM of these two. So अगर LCM लेते हो तो 7 2 are 14 होगा. So 14 मतलब इसमें हमें 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, तो इसमें भी 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो इसको भी 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. तो हमारा ये बन जाएगा 7 9 are 63, 7 2 are 14, ये हमारा बन जाएगा 11 2 are 22, डिवाइड बाई ये बन जाएगा 7 2 are 14. तो अब जो है हम लोग को पता है, बिकॉज 63 इज ग्रेटर देन 22, so this number will be greater than this. So this number will be greater than this. That means 1 whole 1 by 2 is greater than 11 by 7. So very easily either this process you can follow, or you can follow from here that the cross multiplications process also, which we have 9 by 2 and 11 by 7. तो ये दो नंबर को अगर आप क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करोगे, इसको इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो 7 9 are 63, राइट. एंड इसको अगर मल्टीप्लाई करोगे इसके साथ 11 2 are 22, so 22. So which one is greater? 63 is greater definitely. So अगर 63 is greater, that means 9 by 2 is greater. 9 by 2 is greater means 4 whole 1 by 2 is greater. So 4 whole 1 by 2 is greater than 11 by 7. So any one of the process by using, you can compare the mixed fractions and improper fractions also, right? कुछ नहीं करना है, पहले मिक्स फ्रैक्शन को हमें जो है इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करना है, उसके बाद दोनों का एलसीएम लेके उससे मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है दोनों साइड, ठीक है. अब जो भी आएगा उसको कंपेयर करना है, अदरवाइज क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन में करना है, ठीक है. These are the methods of comparing fractional numbers. Okay, so in today's video we have learned how to compare two like fractions, how to compare two unlike fractions, how to compare when the fractions with the same numerator. We have learned also how to compare the unlike fractions, mixed fractions and improper fractions. So I hope now you can able to do this exercise by yourself, which is the exercise number 8.5. So your homework will be exercise 8.5. So your homework will be exercise 8.5. Thank you. Have a good time. Take care and bye bye.